Hey YouTube, it's Abdel Car Fix. I'm back with new videos. This car making, the belt making a lot of noise. Watch this. This pulley is bad. It's grinding. This is the new one. No noise. So, 15 mil right here. Okay. Go clockwise, get the belt off from the tensioner. This is the tensioner. Okay. And once the belt is off, the pulley, it's 17 mil. Take the bolt out and you put the new one in. Easy and quick, and you get rid of the noise. Thank you for watching my video. I need subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.